What's up, everyone? Dean Shah here. I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to the Home Fitness Revolution 2025, where we're about to embark on a journey that will transform the way you think about working out. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this is the place for you. This year, 2025, is the year we completely redefine what fitness means. No gym membership, no fancy equipment, and absolutely no barriers. You can achieve incredible results right from the comfort of your own home, using just your body, a little creativity, and a lot of motivation. We're sculpting dream physiques and building real strength, all from our living rooms, bedrooms, or wherever you have a little space to move. It's about making fitness accessible, fun, and part of your daily routine, no matter your schedule or experience level. Get ready to dive into the top 17 home fitness and wellness challenges of the year, each one designed to push your limits, boost your energy, and help you discover just how strong you really are. These challenges are perfect for beginners looking to start their journey, as well as pros seeking new ways to stay motivated. Say goodbye to excuses and hello to real visible results. No more waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect gym. Your transformation starts right here, right now, in your own home. So let's get started and make your home your new favorite workout space. Together we'll break a sweat, have some fun, and unlock your best self. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Welcome to your journey of transformation. Let's kick things off with Bodyweight Beast Mode. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this routine is designed to challenge you and help you unlock your true potential right in the comfort of your own home. This daily circuit is your ticket to building lean muscle, boosting your metabolism, and torching calories. No fancy equipment required. All you need is your body, a little bit of space, and the determination to push yourself further than ever before. We're talking about classic moves like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks, each one targeting different muscle groups to give you a full body burn. These exercises are the foundation of strength and endurance, and they can be done anywhere, anytime. Feel your muscles ignite and your heart rate climb as you power through each rep. Don't be afraid to break a sweat. Every drop is a sign of your hard work and commitment to becoming stronger. Remember, it's not about how many reps you can do, but about doing each one with perfect form. Focus on quality over quantity, and don't hesitate to modify the exercises to suit your fitness level. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. As you get stronger and more confident, challenge yourself by increasing your reps, adding sets, or trying new variations like jump squats or side planks. Progress is all about pushing your boundaries and celebrating every milestone along the way. So dig deep, push your limits, and discover the incredible power that's been inside you all along. Your journey starts now. Let's unleash your inner power together. Build a core of steel with the 30-day plank powerhouse. We're sculpting abs, strengthening backs, and boosting stability, all with planks. Each day, increase your plank hold time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your strength soar. Get ready to feel the burn and unleash your inner powerhouse. Short on time, the HIIT at Home Challenge is your solution for maximum calorie burn in minimal time. Burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, simple moves, big results. Push hard during intervals, recover and repeat. Crank up the music and let's HIIT it hard. Unwind and boost flexibility with the Yoga Flexibility Flow Challenge. Daily poses lengthen muscles, increase range of motion, and calm your mind. Listen to your body, modify as needed, and enjoy finding your inner zen. The Mindfulness Meditation series guides you through daily practices to quiet your mind and reduce stress. Each day, try techniques from breath awareness to guided visualizations for inner calm and clarity. Meditation takes practice. Stick with it for real benefits. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and let's start this journey together. Start your day with the Mobility Morning Routine. Gentle movements target your joints, boost range of motion, and prep your body for the day. Let's get moving and feel fantastic. The push-up is the ultimate upper body test. This challenge helps you master push-ups, from wall to advanced variations. Focus on form, build strength, and increase reps daily. Stick with it and watch your push-up power soar. Who says workouts can't be fun? The Cardio Dance Party Challenge combines cardio and dance for a high-energy, calorie-torching routine. No fancy footwork, just bring your energy, groove to the music, and have a blast. The 10,000 Steps Indoors Challenge brings the walk home. Pace during calls, march in place, or create a circuit. Every step counts. Lace up and let's walk our way to a healthier you. Get ready for a metabolic blast with the Tabata Inferno Challenge. 20 seconds of intense exercise, 10 seconds rest, 8 rounds, maximum results. Bring your A game and ignite that metabolic fire. Balance and stability are essential for daily life. This challenge boosts your coordination with single-leg stances, heel-toe walks and tree poses. Improve your body awareness and mental focus. Let's move with confidence. Don't underestimate the power of a good stretch. The Full Body Stretch series targets all major muscle groups for flexibility and recovery. Hold each stretch, release tension, and improve flexibility. Make stretching a daily habit and feel the difference. Wall Sit Warrior will test your leg strength and endurance. Increase your wall sit time daily and push your limits. This isometric move sculpts your legs and builds mental toughness. Find a wall and let's conquer this challenge. Sculpt your glutes and legs with this no-equipment routine. Squats, lunges, glute bridges and more. Stick with it and watch your lower body transform. The Core Crusher circuit targets your entire core. Crunches, Russian twists, leg raises and planks. Let's crush those abs and build a core of steel. The Breathwork Boost Challenge introduces daily breathing techniques to increase energy, reduce stress, and improve focus. Take a few minutes each day to connect with your breath and feel the transformation. Rest and recovery matter as much as workouts. Prioritize self-care with foam rolling, Epsom salt baths, quality sleep, and relaxation. Give your body time to repair and rebuild. Prioritize recovery to come back stronger and prevent injuries. Congratulations, champions! You've just taken a huge step toward a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. Every drop of sweat, every rep, and every moment you pushed through has brought you closer to your goals. Remember, this isn't just about finishing a challenge. It's about building a lifestyle that empowers you every single day. You've completed the Home Fitness Challenges 2025, and that's something to be incredibly proud of. Mark this achievement, celebrate your progress, and know that you're inspiring others around you to start their own journey. Your home is your gym, and your body is your best equipment. No fancy machines or expensive memberships needed, just your determination, creativity, and the space you already have. Every living room, bedroom, or balcony can become a place of transformation. Stay consistent, stay positive, and let's crush these challenges together. Remember, progress is made one day at a time, and every effort counts. Support each other, lift each other up, and celebrate every victory, big or small. Like, subscribe, and share your progress in the comments. We want to hear your stories, see your results, and cheer you on as you continue your fitness journey. Your experience could motivate someone else to take their first step. Let's build a supportive community and make fitness fun in 2025. Together, we can achieve more, inspire each other, and turn our homes into the ultimate spaces for health, happiness, and transformation. Your journey is just beginning. Let's keep moving forward together.